Trademark searches are the most important prerequisite for trademark registration and the enforcement of a trademark owner's rights in India. You must be aware that there are plenty of methods and levels of trademark searches. But do you know which one is the most basic? Hi, I am Tushar Bakshi, a startup advisor at Setindiabiz, where we provide tax, compliance and IPR services to businesses in India. In this video, I will explain all about knockout searches, which is the most basic and the first level of trademark search in India. So let us begin without any delay. What is a trademark knockout search? A trademark knockout search, also known as a preliminary trademark search, is a quick search conducted to identify any obvious conflicts between a proposed mark and all existing registered and applied trademarks. This search is usually conducted before a comprehensive trademark search to give an initial idea of whether a proposed mark is likely to face objections during the trademark registration process. A trademark knockout search involves searching for the proposed trademark in reliable trademark registry databases. In India, you can use the databases of the Indian Trademark Registry for this purpose. Link is given in the description box. But why exactly do we need to conduct a trademark knockout search? Let me explain. Conducting a trademark knockout search is considered as an important prerequisite to filing the trademark registration application. It minimizes the chances of the application's rejection and falling into legal disputes with third parties over the use of the mark later in the future. Here are some of the major reasons why you should conduct a trademark knockout search before applying for trademark registration in India. Number 1. To identify identical or similar trademarks that may conflict with the proposed trademark. Number 2. To determine the chances of a successful trademark registration. 3. To evaluate the risk of infringing an existing trademark. 4th, to avoid legal challenges and infringement lawsuits in the future. And 5th, to build a brand with a completely unique mark that will help your business stand out among competitors. Now that you know what a knockout search is and why it is conducted, you must be wondering what its process is. And that is what we are going to discuss now. So how to conduct a trademark knockout search in India? So to conduct a trademark search, start by identifying the goods or services that the proposed trademark belongs to. There are several classifications of goods and services for trademark search, which you can use. In India, the NICE classification is quite popular and frequently used. The NICE classification classifies goods and services in 45 classes, 1 to 34 being specific to goods and 35 to 45 being specific to services. After classifying the goods or services of the proposed mark, you can use the Indian Trademark Search portal to conduct a preliminary knockout search for any potential conflicts or infringements of the proposed mark with existing registered or applied marks. Next, review the search results and evaluate the potential risks. If the search results are in favor of the proposed trademark, proceed with the comprehensive trademark search. Keep in mind that a knockout search is not a substitute for a comprehensive search or legal advice from a qualified trademark attorney. A comprehensive search will provide a more thorough analysis of potential conflicts and will increase the likelihood of success in trademark registration. To understand the concept of knockout search more clearly, let's consider an example. Suppose you are planning to start a clothing line in India and want to register your brand name Style Rise as trademark. Now, before filing the trademark application, you need to conduct a knockout search to ensure that this name is not already registered or in use by any other clothing company. For this, you can use the free public search tool provided by the Indian Trademark Registry website. You can find its link in the description box. After conducting a preliminary knockout search, if no similar or identical trademarks are found, you can conduct a comprehensive trademark search using the services of a trademark attorney or a trademark search service provider. However, if the knockout search reveals that a similar or identical trademark already exists, you will need to choose a different brand name to avoid potential legal challenges, and only then can you move further to conducting a comprehensive search. And that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any more questions. I will try to respond back as soon as possible. For further guidance on trademark knockout search, you can visit our Wikipedia page or contact our expert advisors. The links and contact details are given in the description box. And if you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with your friends and colleagues. Also subscribe to our channel for more informative content ahead. Hit the notification bell and get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Watch our other videos as well.